parking my car in Boston where it's snowing. From Boston, Massachusetts. Go Brady. Welcome to Boston. It's snowing. All right, I came all the way up here and he's trying to impress me with how much he works out. He's taking his walk. Well, Colonel Flagg tracked him down, but there really is a Dunkin' Donuts at the end of your walk. You can't fool me, man. Colonel Flagg is onto you. There's a Dunkin' Donuts at the end of his walk. There's no fooling this guy. I like the hat.
There you go.
I'm with Commissioner Whalen here, patrolling the Wollaston Beach.
You can never be too safe.
Hey, Kate, check this out. I'm with Brother Brian here, and we just did a donut in the parking lot.
How you doing? Ciao.
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 And it reminded me of the time we did donuts at your junior high with your friend. Yeah, Boston. And good luck to Tom effing Brady as they kick Kansas City's ass.
What would Sean Connery say?
Yeah, Sean Connery would say, those bastards down in Tampa are gonna kick some ass. Pay attention, Patriots. You need Brady back. Man, this is a lot of snow. Talk about a whiteout. I feel like I'm back in Antarctica.